Do you want to get the developers option on Fire Stick? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to get that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: get developers option on Fire Stick. The developer options on a Fire Stick are quite useful for several reasons. By enabling developer options, you can install apps from sources other than the Amazon App Store. This is particularly useful for apps that are not available in the official store. Android Debug Breach or ADB allows you to connect your Fire Stick to a computer and run commands to control the device. This can be useful for developers testing their apps or for advanced users who want to customize their Fire Stick. Besides, developer options provide tools to monitor the performance of your Fire Stick. This can help in identifying issues like memory leaks or performance bottlenecks. Advanced users can use developer options to tweak various settings and customize their Fire Stick experience. For app developers, these options are essential for testing and debugging their applications on the Fire Stick platform. To enable developer options on your Fire Stick from the Fire Stick home screen, first make sure it is up to date. Navigate to the gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down and select My Fire TV. In the My Fire TV menu, choose About. Then select Check for updates. If it is downloading any update, let it get downloaded. Then install the update. Once done, you can again check for updates. Then you can restart the Fire Stick. Once the Fire Stick restarts, again check for updates following the same process. Then from Settings, select My Fire TV. Then select About. Highlight the first item, your Fire TV device's name, and press the middle button or the select button on the remote for 7 times. You should see a message saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Go back to the My Fire TV menu and you will now see developer options listed. In the developer options menu, you can enable ADB debugging and apps from unknown resources. And there you have it, the method to get developers option on Fire Stick. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.